Welcome guys to our beginners partner work tutorial 3 men's footwork. So guys, I will be just focusing on our footwork for the routine. Let's begin. So guys, starting on the left foot, basic step, you're going to step forwards and together, and then on the right step back and together. Repeat this again. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. This time basic on the left. 1, 2, 3. Now your Cuban turn, guys. We're going to hook round on the right for 5, turn round on the left for 6, and together for 7. So that's 3 steps. Now your open step, you're going to step behind the heel of the right foot with the left, raise the right foot up and down on the spot, and come together. Going the other way on the right foot, step behind the heel of the left foot with the right, left foot up and down on the spot, and come together. Now we're going to turn the lady. So on the left foot, we step out, we cross in front and pivot. We turn ourselves on the right foot, we're going to step back on the right, forwards on the left, push off and land. Then on the left foot, we're going to step out, across and pivot. Before on the right foot, guys, to close, step back and together. Now this time, guys, I'm going to do it in full momentum without any pauses, okay? So this time on the left foot, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time, Cuban turn. 5, 6, 7. Open back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Out, across, together, pivot. Now back, forwards, turn, left, out, across, pivot, and back, and close. And that ends our tutorial for this week. Well done, guys. See you all next time.